Good morning, ELA Sunshine House. What I want to share with you today is what we will do for Thursday, September 10th. If you enter the Google Classroom and then click on daily lesson Thursday, September 10th, you will see my read aloud today, Mr. George Baker. You will also see my Bitmoji ELA classroom. In the classroom is what we will be working on. So again, you will need a book. So whether you're listening to an audiobook, reading an ebook from the Washington Library, if you are reading a book on Epic, if you don't have any of that, I have kept the links up in our Bitmoji Classroom. So in the upper left-hand corner, you see the library link. If you don't know how to use Destiny, the link is right here, how to use Destiny. I also have Epic. If you can't find your name in the classroom, please make sure you let me know. I have given you the class code for Epic, and you'll find that in the Google Classroom under classwork, under resources. Today in ELA, after you read or after you listen to my read aloud with Mr. George Baker, I'm going to have you go to the Padlet. It'll look like this today. I think I have the settings correct now, hopefully. Make sure you respond. What do you notice or wonder, or what questions do you have in regards to the character Mr. Baker? The Padlet link is right here in the Bitmoji Classroom. So that's where you will be able to click on that and respond. Another thing that I'm going to attach today, because I want you to do your own reading and your own thinking, is I will attach a document that says thought prompts for jotting. So this is something that you can use. Again, if you have sticky notes at home, if you want to use a Google Doc, if you want to use your notebook at home, I just want you to write down the title of your book if you're doing it in a Google Doc or on your own piece of paper if you don't have sticky notes. And I want you just to keep track of what you're thinking. So if you read a passage, if you read a page and you come across something that makes you think, I think, or I question, or I'm wondering, I'm predicting, I'm noticing that, I'm making a connection to, or this makes me realize, you want to use these little prompts, write it down on your sticky note, and show me what you're thinking. Remember, your thinking is invisible to me until you write it down. And that way we can have a discussion. So we're just practicing that right now. Don't think that you have to have a million sticky notes. If you're going to read for about 20 minutes today, you should maybe have 1 or 2 sticky notes by the end of that time. So again, your goal is to listen to my read aloud, jot what you're thinking on the Padlet, then read on your own and see if you can use one of these prompts to keep track of your own thinking in your own book. Remember that if you haven't done the bio poem, the template is there for you from last week. I might throw this in the resource section so it would be easier for you to find. And also keep working on that Jamboard. We will share that in social studies. So I will see you later at our Google Meet. If you are having trouble finding that, please shoot me an email. I realized last night, sadly, that I missed someone on our Google Meet. It's a total error, human error, and I apologize. But just make sure if you're not able to see the meets, that you let me know, please. All right. Have a good morning.